So this is the front of the house here in Rockaway Park, New York. You can see evening has come here and there. The side of the house, the snow is continuing to come down. It looks like there have been snowplows here, which is nice. A little unusual to have snowplows here. Okay, so soon. We're usually not the first priority. Now down at the end of the street, they have begun rebuilding the boardwalk that was destroyed during Hurricane Sandy. Maybe I should turn this thing. I suppose if we turn it, the whole video will be screwed up. Just to do a back view there. So Rockaway Park is about 3 blocks wide if you look at a map. And we live on the street that is abutting the beach. And what I'm going to do is walk down here. You can see it's completely deserted tonight. It is very cold. I had to come out and walk the dog, which is why I'm out here. Visibility is quite low. It's gusty. I'm just going to make this video up until the end of the street so you can see the boardwalk being rebuilt. We have had no boardwalk since Hurricane Sandy, and they have been using pile drivers to slam these huge posts into the sand. I guess hopefully so that next time the boardwalk will not be destroyed, strewn down the street haphazardly. So we're getting down here to the corner. Many of these houses were badly damaged or destroyed during Hurricane Sandy, as you might imagine. And you'll see here that the beach is closed. We haven't been able to get access to the beach. Oh, I guess it's been about 3 months while they're doing this reconstruction, to the great umbrage of many people in Rockaway. We don't think we ought to be denied access to the beach, but I guess we're all happy that they're rebuilding the boardwalk. So here is the boardwalk reconstruction. See, they've got they're building a little wall here, and they're going to put the boardwalk up on top of it, and notably denying the In any event, it is extremely cold.